So OnePlus is doing that thing again, taking flagship level hardware and squeezing it into a smaller, more manageable phone. And honestly, it's kind of wild how packed this thing is. Let's start with the display. It's a 6.3 2-inch flat OLED with a crisp resolution of 2640 by 1116 and a pixel density of 460 ppi. But it's not just sharp, it's vibrant too. We're talking 10-bit color, 120 Hz refresh rate, full DCI-P3 coverage, HDR10+, HDR Vivid, and Dolby Vision. Basically, it's like carrying a mini cinema in your pocket. They've also pulled in some of that OnePlus 13 magic, including their P2 screen chip, which handles all the behind-the-scenes display tuning to make colors pop without killing your eyes. Speaking of which, there's Mingmu Eye Protection 2.0 and full brightness DC dimming. So even if you're doom scrolling at 2 a.m., your eyeballs won't hate you. And if you're the type who texts in the rain or wears gloves everywhere, no judgment. It's got Rain Touch 2.0, Glove Touch, and something called Linksy Touch, which basically makes the screen feel way more responsive no matter what's going on around you. Performance-wise, this thing is built like a gaming beast. Snapdragon 8 Elite under the hood, a dedicated gaming antenna system, and bypass charging so the battery doesn't overheat mid-match. Oh, and the battery, a massive 6260 milliamp hour. That's not a typo, plus 90 watt fast charging to juice it up real quick. Storage and RAM are top tier too. The maxed out version could hit 16 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 terabyte of UFS 4.0 storage. And for the Wi-Fi nerds out there, it's got a custom G1 gaming Wi-Fi chip for lower latency and smoother connections. Now, when it comes to the camera, you've got a 50 megapixel main sensor with OIS and a 50 megapixel telephoto for sharp zoomed in shots. But honestly, that's just scratching the surface. There's a whole bunch of spec heavy stuff I'm skipping here since I've already covered it in detail in a separate video. As for looks, it'll come in 3 colors: Morning Mist Gray, Heart Beating Pink, yes really, and Cloud Ink Black. The only real question now is if and when OnePlus plans to bring it to the global market, because yeah, all this power means nothing if most of us can't actually get our hands on it. Thanks for watching. Peace.